On May 7th, 2025, police conducted a simple traffic stop and found out this woman, who was a passenger, had a warrant for a dispute she got into with her stepmom.
Hello. I'm Deputy Weaver at the Sheriff's Office. The reason I got you stopped today is when you turned off of Clinton onto Veterans, you didn't use your turn signal. You got... Huh?
I did. You might not see it. I did. He said it ain't working.
We came from the gas station first.
You got your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Yeah.
All right, why you email?
I got insurance in this car. I got pulled over just calling you.
Mr. You got your identification?
I said I got pulled over just calling you. Where we at? What's the name of the street, sir?
This is Emerald Lane and Franklin Circle.
Emerald Lane and Franklin Circle. Up west.
Mr. You got your identification?
Why do I need mine?
You're not wearing a seatbelt.
Huh?
You're not wearing a seatbelt.
But I just I rode up Western Avenue and then made a right like going to Greenfield. And then it's like the first driveway or second driveway.
You guys got any identification?
What's the name of the street again?
It's Emerald Lane, and this is Franklin Circle. This is Emerald Lane right here. That's Franklin.
What's the name of the place? It ain't
Franklin
too far.
Circle, because she's in
All
Franklin.
right, thank you. All right, I'll be right back with you, all right?
Pretend you're racing for video.
Can you step out for me?
Act like it's a fight and everything.
Jody, here's your ID back. Alan, here's your ID back. Oh, sorry.
No.
And then
No, you went to court. Man.
Charles, here's
You
your...
just went to court yesterday.
Okay. So you're showing a warrant through the city of Chillicothe.
What?
Um,
And she went to court yesterday. What?
so just stand back here with me while we... No, you're fine. While we confirm it. And we'll go with from there. Criminal mischief, I believe.
But I just...
That's for the stuff
Let's
with
go.
the stepmom.
What's
Yeah.
going to happen?
Here's
Come on.
For real.
I'm 100% for real. Yeah, I'm
So what happens now?
we're going to wait for it.
Oh my God,
Wait for them to
stressing
confirm
out.
it.
Can I called them about this and they never called me back.
You're showing a warrant.
Can you please talk to them about me calling them? Because I swear the lady said she would leave her a message, and because she wasn't in work.
I can't ignore the warrant. They put it in the system. I mean, I have...
Man, I'm sorry, I'm not.
No, I understand.
This,
8 for the 57 on Candia is going to be within pickup.
what's it say?
You're clear. Can you confirm it? It's within pickup. So
What's that mean?
that you're going to have to go to jail.
Oh, come on, please, no. I don't want to. I'm sorry.
No, I get it.
I don't know. I just was like,
You got anything on you and you know about?
no.
DPD is confirming that it is valid.
Okay. All right.
This is his state pen.
Yeah, we'll set it up here.
You have to arrest me.
I'll just kept you in front, all right? Just
Yeah.
like this.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. This is
There you go.
upsetting to me.
No, I get it.
What time? Or what is today? Wednesday?
Yep. Today is Wednesday.
Did you get a return on that signal coming?
I'm upset.
I get it.
I'm working on it. We were still getting logged in when everybody had traffic.
All right, have a seat for me.
If you can,
Shit.
get that
good,
caller back on 19.
Where's he going?
See if they can
I mean, you're over 18, right?
call them.
Yeah,
If
I'm
anything-
You want to?
No, I don't.
Anything missing, there's no 4th century. Here's the
84, Ross. One female, 21.
What's up?
I got her as a 21.
Alright, so...
You know her bond or no?
Honestly, I do not know.
What, misdemeanor, fourth degree?
I can look real fast. Let him talk real fast, and I'll get all those answers for you. All right, I promise.
Minor misdemeanor.
Go ahead and step out for me. You step out on that side with him. Alan.
Oh. Sit back here to the front of my car for me. You ain't got any weapons or anything on you? Okay.
I just picked this up in the car, goes to a phone, and I put it in the purse.
Yeah, absolutely. You're not going to grab a weapon out of there, are you?
No, sir.
Okay.
Numbers if you want me to call or anybody get a hold of
Yeah, I'll...
Unless you're
cool with me searching you because you ain't got nothing on. You tell me. Okay, that's fine. No, that's fine. I feel you.
I just exercise my right here.
Nah, I get it. That's your normal. You know what I mean?
Sure.
But
80 Dutton is coming back to a Josh Wood, Daily, 1996, Toyota White.
you can relax. Just stand back here with her.
Driver's license is also expired.
I think it's just a minor.
If it's not a minor, it's an M4.
It's an M4?
If it's not a minor misdemeanor, it's an M4.
It's for the, like the
Yeah,
least.
that'll be 127 or 157 for sure. I've been through it. They need to bond yourself out. For sure.
If they don't
Well,
take your money for old booking in and out
They do,
fees,
they do.
they me with them.
Hey, look.
She ever been to jail before?
Yeah, she's got
Oh.
some pending other
Hell
charges.
yeah, I love it.
That's why she went to court Monday for other charges. I know. We looked this up last week to see if it was a real charge and we couldn't find it.
Criminal mischief?
Yeah. And then when she went to court Monday, they never said
She's gonna go to
nothing.
jail, but her mom will be out in court. So what was it again? The charges?
It's a warrant for criminal mischief.
Criminal mischief, jail.
That's when she was fighting with her stepmom.
Where's her stepmom live?
Maybe like
Okay.
I'm about to ask her some numbers, but let her people know.
Okay. Alright. Let me see your phone. I'll put it up here. Yep. I'll let you. I can't make them, but I'll tell them that you need numbers.
oh man, hang on.
They normally do. When requested, they do.
I still have a number for the week.
I can promise you, you're not going to be here for a week on a criminal mischief.
I have other stuff, like I'm still waiting on this stuff, like it happened, but so I'm supposed to have it, you know?
Are you on bond on something else? Oh, well, that's a different story. But the criminal mischief charge itself, we honestly, you won't be here a week. At max, you'll be here till tomorrow morning when you have court. So other than,
See, I was just going to talk to my name and order.
yeah.
Maybe I have that. I'm just saying.
Well, I don't work in the city, so I
Yeah, you
couldn't
don't know all
imagine.
this,
Yeah.
right? I'm not like, I'm just talking about.
Yeah, no.
Who Sanders?
That's going to go off right now.
Yeah.
Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. No.
Like,
I don't, man. Nothing else.
he's like, dang.
Let me see your benefit.
Oh,
Those are nice.
thank you.
Where'd you get that down at?
2nd Street inbox, TJ.
Across the street?
Yeah, actually, yeah, right
That
there.
is really
Yeah, this is when
nice.
he did all of it when it first started. Too. It's my daughter's name.
Those are not. I'm trying to get one for my husband, and I just don't know. I want it different. I don't want this saying, with the wings ready. I want something different.
Yeah, you don't want the same old, same old.
Yeah, patch it down right there. I was thinking because he's a Washington Commanders, Redskins, diehard since he was a kid.
How's he feel about that name change?
Well, he passed away a couple months ago.
Oh. None of them did.
But
Kindia Young.
he, I was thinking about getting like a jersey, but with his name on the
Yeah.
back of it.
That'd be awesome, actually.
I think that's different.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
I mean, I want something different.
Yeah.
And maybe like matching jersey. I don't know. Personally, I'm not a football fan, so. But I think that would be nice.
That would be. That'd actually be. I've never heard of that before, so that would be uniquely you.
I mean, you ain't just saying that.
I'm not. I've never heard of that before.
What?
That's
I was
uniquely.
thinking about getting, because he's a Washington Redskins / Commanders, and getting like the Washington Redskins, not that, and get the jersey and then put his number on it, and maybe the years that we were married.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, that'd be uniquely you.
That's very
We've been
sentimental.
married 15 years, so like 15 as a number.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Yeah,
Cool
that-
too, and like you can do anything. You can put it in like you can like hang it up, all kinds of stuff, like jerseys and stuff. You can get them framed.
I'm talking about that.
Yeah, get a
Oh,
tag.
ties.
Oh,
I think that'd be sweet.
yeah.
That would be.
Yeah, Second Street right there on TJ is really good. There's a couple other people in there too.
First name?
Candia, Katie, and Katie.
Who you kin to?
My aunt, Danielle.
That's my cousin.
Oh,
Well, his family.
Y'all don't believe me when I tell you I'm related to everybody.
I believe you. I believe you.
So Kenny's your dad?
Yeah, Katie.
Who's your mom?
Young.
I don't know, but I know Kenny.
Yeah.
Ain't that something?
Small town.
You got that right.
Mm-hmm.
Too small.
But I am a part of a big family, and
Yeah. And the Youngs are a big family.
you know, the bad part about that is you gotta be careful who you date because it might be your cousin.
Yeah.
Let's stand over here.
You say stuff in here?
Mm-hmm. Give me a wide stance. Step up. Right there. And straight in the air, don't touch it again. Straight up. Reach for the sky.
There you go.
Squat just a little and hold it. Won't be better. Okay, you're good.
Told you. I'm too.
Now, what are you here for now? Since I know that you're my cousin.
Well, you know Cindy Beverly? She's my stepmom.
She's my cousin too.
She's my stepmom.
They
And,
Yeah.
They were fighting.
no, I was at her house and she came home, started hooping, hollering, drunk and all that stuff. She put a baseball bat in my face, called the cops on me. Well, told me if I didn't leave, I was gonna call the cops on me. Then I left, walking down the street with my kids with no shoes or nothing, with my kids. So I walked down the street with the kids and then I got criminal mischief out of it.
Well, it says a
I
warrant.
called,
Warrants for criminal mischief, but
Oh, this is what happened from that.
yeah.
I called the aunt in here and they told me they'll leave her a message and she wasn't in.
You know what? She won't show up for it.
Well, she should at least called me so I didn't have a warrant. It sucks. I left a message.
It'd be a
I know I
city
did.
warrant. They should be bringing it over.
I love Cindy, but when she drinks.
This is the first time she.
Because her and Kenny been together forever. I think they tried to leave each other alone.
That's not ever gonna work. It's the same crap.
They're
So
just.
I try to just. Yeah, watch. I stay out and out the phone.
She was charged with criminal mischief. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.